I'm running a competition that you can win this brand new Rode wireless microphone valued at 3,000 Rand. I see so many content creators out there that are creating good content and videos, but unfortunately without a microphone, the content just isn't as good as it could be. In order to win this competition, you have to do 4 things. The first thing that you have to do is like this post. The second thing that you have to do is comment below with the word microphone. The third thing that you have to do is repost this post. It's a very simple thing to do, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, or wherever you're seeing this content. Just press that repost button. Fourthly, and this is the most important thing, you have to like my channel. You have to press the follow or subscribe button, again, whichever channel that you're seeing this, and then you're going to have a chance to win. There are no strings attached, so I invite you please just to enter the competition. I'll be announcing the winner next week on Monday the 15th of December 2025. Good luck.